In today's video, you will learn how to choose your vegetables to take only the best home. It is not a secret that to have a healthy diet, we need to eat fruits, greens, and vegetables. When buying them, it is important to pay attention to some points to make sure you will get all the benefits of the foods. But do you know how to choose vegetables at the market? Recently, we made a video teaching you how to choose the best fruits and green leaves. Did you watch it? Click on the videos to learn how you choose bananas, lemons, apples, lettuce, broccoli, arugula, and others. Many times we are misled by the appearance of vegetables. Then when we get home, we find out that not all of them are as good as they looked. Some don't last enough, others are still green inside. If that also happens to you, learn the right way of choosing some of the most common vegetables. Pumpkin. Its skin should be firm and smooth. When sold already cut, the pumpkin should have an intense yellow or orange color on the inside, depending on the type of pumpkin. Zucchini. The skin must be firm without any damage, and its color should vary from white, light green, and dark green. Cassava. It is usually sold already cut. Its interior must be white without any brown spots. The peel should be thin and easy to remove. Garlic. Choose the ones without any bruises. The head should be whole with its peel intact and not wilted. Potatoes. Choose the ones without brown or green spots, as their presence indicates the food is already old. Eggplant. The skin should be whole and shiny without any damages. Beets. Choose one that is not too big, with soft and flourishing leaves. If it is wilted, it means the beet is already old. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Onion. Its peel should be well preserved without any bruises or wrinkles. Carrot. Don't pick any carrots that are wilted or have bruised skin. A good trick to know if the carrot is good is to try to break its tip and see if it is rigid. Chayote or choco. Choose the ones with green skin and without any spikes. The spikes mean the chayote is old. Cauliflower. The florets should be tight and its leaves should be green and soft. Don't pick it if it has yellow branches. Yam. The peel should be firm with small roots coming out of it. Don't pick it if it is wilted or if it is sprouted. Cucumber. Check if the peel is smooth and has an intense green color. Bell pepper. The skin should be firm and shiny. The smaller ones are best since they have fewer pesticides. So, did you like learning how to choose your vegetables? Remember that these foods don't last too long and should be eaten as soon as possible to avoid losing their taste and nutrients.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.